The UK produces waste at a phenomenal rate. In fact, in just 1 hour, we produce enough waste to fill the Albert Hall. And in just 1 day, we produce enough waste to fill Trafalgar Square to the top of Nelson's Column. Every year, it's estimated that 57 million tonnes of waste are sent directly to landfill in the UK. 19 million tonnes of this is from households alone, which is 2 million tonnes more than any other country in the European Union. The UK is facing a problem. Not only is landfill tax set to almost double within the next 5 years, but experts predict that at the current rate, Britain will actually reach its landfill limit by 2018, and that methane levels and greenhouse emissions caused by landfill sites will rise and rise. But there is an answer. AeroThermal, the natural solution.
The roots of AeroThermal date back some 30 years. The company was founded to provide engineering services to design and manufacture process engineering solutions. Since then, the company has developed and manufactured over 150 autoclaves worldwide for such household names as Boeing, Airbus, Mitsubishi, Formula One, McLaren, Renault, and many, many others. AeroThermal believes that waste is a worldwide problem for which we have a worldwide solution.
In 2006, AeroThermal started to look at the waste processing sector. It's taken the last 4 years to develop the technology. AeroThermal's in-house technical team have developed this innovative technology that identifies the significant benefits of marrying autoclave technology to well-established anaerobic digestion technology.
The new proposed system is a waste revolution. The process begins with mixed waste, which is currently delivered directly to landfill. Instead, the waste will now go through an autoclave. This is a unique system devised by AeroThermal and is a form of waste treatment that uses pressure and steam to sterilize, clean, and break down material, reducing waste volume by up to 60%. The waste will then be sorted to ensure that glass bottles, plastics, and tins are cleaned and separated out for recycling. All biodegradable material, such as foodstuffs and paper, are broken down into a fibrous material that is readily digested in an advanced anaerobic system. This process has 3 byproducts. Firstly, it creates soil conditioner, which has a number of uses. Secondly, it creates water, which will be used to help run the process. And thirdly, it creates biogas, which is placed directly into a generator. The generator in turn transforms the biogas into renewable electricity, which is exported directly into the grid, and exhaust heat, which is then used to run the autoclave.
Behind me is our 1 cubic metre scaled proof of concept autoclave. We've operated it several hundreds of times on many different types of material, developed a firm understanding of how the autoclave works. And this is our waste processing autoclave. It's 65 cubic metres working volume, which means each time it operates it can process 10 tonnes of waste. The autoclave process itself separates the organic material away from the recyclable material. So at the end of the process, all of the material still comes out together. However, it's very easy to separate all of the recyclable material away. So you can get a very high recyclable recovery rate. When we go to the secondary process of anaerobic digestion, it results in more material being accessible to the biodegradation process, which results in a higher gas yield, a higher methane content, and we get a quicker reaction time. Here we're in our anaerobic digestion laboratory. This is where we can simulate the anaerobic digestion system that would occur on a commercial basis, and it allows us to understand the increase in performance that the autoclave achieves. The reason we try not to put organic material into landfill is because it emits harmful methane and CO2 to the atmosphere. What we're doing in our anaerobic digestion system is farming that process in a very controlled environment. The main outputs are green electricity, heat, clean recyclables and a soil conditioner. It's the anaerobic digestion part of the process that creates the biogas. We take the biogas and put it into a reciprocating gas engine to turn to green electricity. 35% of the energy that goes into the gas engine is converted to the electricity. 65% of the energy is rejected as waste heat. We take that waste heat in a very green, efficient manner and convert it to steam to power our autoclave process.
The proposed system benefits everyone. It reduces the need for landfill. It separates a higher level of organic content from recyclables. It increases the rate of recyclables filtered out from the waste stream. It provides soil conditioner to help regenerate land and previous landfill sites. It utilises emissions that are otherwise going into the environment and turns it into renewable electricity and uses the waste heat to fuel the autoclave. Overall, it's more environmentally friendly, more efficient, and it drastically reduces the amount of waste going to landfill, as well as CO2 emissions. AeroThermal, the natural solution.